Hello YouTubers, we're going to work on this 2004 Chrysler Crossfire today, just showing you how to change out a fuel filter, where to locate it, and where to replace it. The fuel pump also as well we're doing. So I took out the fuel pump and the fuel module that's right here. You can see it. So you got the fuel pump, and then you got the fuel filter right here. And then also I took off this hose that comes with this thing here that I'm going to clean off. I'm not really sure what that is, like a regulator or something like that. So I got the replacement fuel filter here. It's $20 on eBay. Got the replacement fuel pump, $30 on eBay. A lot cheaper online. So I got a Parts Master fuel filter. And then it just says custom parts fuel pump. Took it off from the bottom. The shield down here, there's a plastic shield underneath the car, if you can see it. There's 4 bolts underneath the car. And when you're doing this, you gotta clamp off 2 of your hoses on the bottom of the car down there too, to keep the fuel from dumping all over the bottom of your garage. So you make sure you have like 2 clamps ready. That's what I got, the 2 orange clamps you can see in there. They just clamp the hoses over. And then you gotta take off the 2 electrical connections to the pump there. And then 2 other small hoses that go into the filter itself. So I'm gonna replace those. And you just connect it back up. Put your 4 bolts back on your plastic shield. This is your plastic shield here. This goes back up. And your hoses here that I got clamped off. Your main hose here and your main hose there. So you got to clamp off 2 hoses. So just make sure you do that. Fairly straightforward after that, but just want to let you guys know. So that's how you change the fuel filter. Fairly basic. A lot of people don't know where to find them in this Crossfire. So they're under the passenger rear tire, underneath the plastic shield. There's 3 bolts that you get, well, 2 bolts and then 1 little plastic holding nut that you got to do, sort of pull it down and take it off, and then everything pops right off. So that's it from under the Crossfire.